Hey everybody, welcome back. Today let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum versus US dollar. Look at the monthly chart and you can see that there was this monthly reversal, or at least a hesitation candle here with really huge wicks going on both sides, which made some people a little hopeful that we're going to continue because it's a bit of a hesitation candle, but they also appear before a major trend reverses. And here we have it. We have this following candle, which is really important, is a confirmation candle. It confirms the trend reversal. So that's on the monthly. And well, the good news about it, the month is not ended yet. So this candle right here is not confirmed yet, right? We have 11 days before the month closes. And with that, if we were to close somewhere around $2,700 in this area right here, just grab a marker right here. If we just close in this vicinity, we might be okay. And what's 26? What's $2,600 from the current level? From the current level, 22 to go into 26. Here you go. The measured move is 20%. We can definitely do it. And in that case, if it actually goes up 20% or more, then we have a shot at just reversing the situation, correcting the situation, if you will, and continuing the move up. But for now, it's a nerve-wracking situation, especially for anybody who just went into Ethereum or any other crypto in the last couple of weeks or so. And especially the newbies, I feel for you because I've been there too. Like, you buy something at the top and it goes down 50% or so, and you think, wow, well, that was a smart move. And what's going on here? This is, the cryptocurrency is a scam. Is a common way to justify and your move and not feel bad about it, but it's not correct. Okay, just don't feel like you have to sell here or any place lower. If you're already trapped here at 50% loss, I feel like there's just probably no point selling because we may reverse, right? So $2,700 market or write down somewhere. This would be a continuation level if we close this month in the next 11 days. All right. Now, with that said, if it does go down from where we are currently, and not just from where we are currently, right, $2,200 approximately, all the way to the 20-week moving average, that will be an additional 57% decline. I wouldn't call it a loss, but it's a decline, okay? And that's gonna go right about $1,000 area. It's probably not gonna be 57.57, right? It's not gonna be $941. So it could be, but probably not. I think $1,000 you'll get a lot of buying opportunities here, a lot of support level. So that's just that. But the total drop for anybody who bought the top, and that's a lot of people, a lot more than you think, would be 78% by then, yeah? 78.5%. That's significant. It is technically a mini bear market if it lasts a little bit longer than just a month or so. Now, jumping into the weekly, we are actually looking so much better here. And yes, while this entire chart is actually pointing to a bearish situation, just going down like this, the good news about it, like, we are holding the 20-week moving average like champion. Well, or you can say Ethereum, but really it's the people who buy in and who are holding Ethereum. You guys are champions. We're all champions. Keep holding, keep buying. Like, this 20-week moving average is being held. The week is not closed. The week has a day and 3 hours to go. Even if we close the current level at about $2,200, it's not like a clear close. Okay, another part of good news, we're also holding this resistance area at about $1,900 to $2,100. It is, it's coming all the way back from this February month, and it was a resistance here and here and here, right? You can also say about this one, it's like a fourth month right there. It was still a bit of a resistance here. It was a support 1, 2, 3, so just so many factors. And now it's again support 1, 2 weeks, and the third week is coming to the end. That can still be a support level, which is excellent. Now, one negative part here is it's a descending triangle, right? So as you can see, descending triangles do tend to break down. Unfortunately, and if that happens, we'll probably be looking at as low as, doesn't have to be all the way down, but as low as this level here, about $1,400. The brief look on a daily chart here, we are actually, yeah, pretty clean triangle, not exactly a touch in this area because we need 3 touches all together, but it is fine, it's close enough. But this is a good enough indication just to recognize that we're going in this shape, in this pattern, and we might have some downside potential on a daily, which is a lot more of a short term. We're looking at about $1,900. We can definitely spike down, just like this here spike. It was about $1,700. We can definitely, let's say we break down. We don't have to stay down, but we can definitely go below 1,800 and scare everybody and have many people sell the rest of their holdings. What would I do now? Am I gonna buy Ethereum right at this level? Probably not. If I held Ethereum, would I be selling it? Well, no, actually I would not be selling it. Yeah, it's fine. It's a little bit too late to sell, especially if you picked up here at the top. Might as well stick around, and if it takes 4 years to recover, then let it be. But after 3-4 years, it's gonna triple or go 5 times in value. It's still a great investment because the markets return 10% on average per year, and this thing would return you 300, 400, 500% in 3-4 years. So that's significant gains. Okay, where am I going to buy it? I would probably be looking at the weekly chart. I'm done day trading, so I'm actually doing a bit of a swing trading and actually looking more into doing like an investment slash position trading, or swing trading is the lowest time frame I would go, which for me is weekly. I'll still analyze the daily, 4 hour or 1 hour. I don't look anymore, but I would definitely just look for this line here. I can definitely pick up some Ethereum around this area. If indeed this is a bull trap, then we might spike down and break this level. And if we approach this level here, then I'd be happy to buy it anywhere between $1,000 and $1,500 per Ether. Not gonna go in full on like let's just dump all the money into this. What I'm gonna do is I'll probably just pick up a little bit here, and I'll pick up a little bit here, and I'll pick up a little bit here as the price goes up and down, or whatever it might do. If it breaks down, I'll pick up a little bit more. So the bigger circle for a bigger allocation. I actually have a question for you today, is if you think this is useful for you, and especially if you're interested in talking about strategy a little bit. I'm thinking of doing more of strategy sessions here. So if you do think it's useful, then or want to hear about it, drop the line below, and also don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos. I will see you later. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Stay safe out there. Have a good one.